If you want to disable your live text on iPhone, this tutorial river will show you how you can do it. First of all, unlock your iPhone and go to Settings app. And if you want to turn off or disable live text for all system and apps, then tap on General. And here select Language and Region. You will get the live text option here. So all you have to need, just toggle this switch off to disable live text for all apps and system. And if you want to disable live text for only camera, then go to your camera settings, and here you will find the show detected text option. So toggle the switch off to disable live text. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.